Alimenta, people. God bless you all. For my little subscriber, God bless you. This is social media Wahala to be shining. Please, if you have not subscribed, can you do me a favor to hit the button and notification bell when you follow wherever I upload? Go they make bangana for your phone. Alimenta they now you they drop it different story, different story. Anyway, when you go find out here for this social media Wahala. We know they lie you. Now what you wish now they talk. So not be live channel at all. And the latest of bogen is now they bring come from here. So say you never subscribe on, press the bell when they follow. We say this one the video they make bangana. Get the yellow for your phone. I love you all. Watch the video till the end and see you in my next video. I only drop different bongo story. Like you with a naka, like you with a hammer. All the other type of English with the fan. Everything. It they drop for you. I love it. Oh, you see my math, my people. If you want your list to be like this, just contact Sharon Store on live. You will get any type of cream you are looking for. Love you all.
Voila. Person they come out for one. Now they push and enter another one. Yeah, people. Everywhere. Yeah, people. Everywhere. Yeah, people. Mamina. Wow. Mamina, sit there. Beautiful. Look this face. Mamina. Hey. Mamina. Sian. Another quick one. I dey come and go Ropada because today Asharamuta. Sian, I beg Asharamuta. I know they play true talk. I dey come. I know people when they insult Iyore na Gogo. I dey come and go Ropada. They come. This life we all day so many people. This life we so many people. Their head not correct. They guess cause. Una guess cause they guess cause for head. Me, I ready for day. This time where I just this because I don't say some people they don't get brain. Their hair carries cause. Their hair, they carries cause. Their hair carries cause na father one rob. Na new style, na new millennium. Because if I want to do these days, if I want to do bad, I'll rub this powder for my head. If I want to do bad, I'll rub powder for their head. I don't carry new system. Because they are don't too much. I don't come. Oh no. Maybe I need to go sit down for a chair. Which I swear talk am again. Sugar daddy waiting again. My love, I do. I just watched one video now. I just watched one video. The video just touched me. It touched me. Wanna listen? C'est
pas grave. When you French,
c'est pas grave.
Tu pas mon mari, il y a donné nous. Il y a d'augmenter, il y a un maçon, il y a. C'est fini. Quand c'est nourri de mieux, maman. Et si tu as wagba, et me ni mia ouwe, me ni me gele wa mu. C'est ça many days in a my get it me. Where actually where? Era we join on any ado appear my way. Oh, man, can't book me joy. You can work and you join out here way. Era we join a man do appear my way. Here are letting you are. Where? It might be a master. I'm a church again. Who more at you?
Oh no, the last transition. No bush can't rubbish with this one.
He has to go, but he must away. Oh, that's him. That's a man away. Mommy Jordan is there. He might guano. Oh, one moment. Yeah, women are women. Mama, he want to prepare you that when we back. So family women in your way.
My sister, not you contact your father. They won't. And won't tap your pia. Ijore no more. And won't tap your pia because he am say. He am say no we are want tapa or tap your pia. But I will sell le kulele ni. I mean you know who are. I mean you know who no more. You why ya we kia we. I mean you know who are. I bet you didn't want tap your my sister no ande no so no boy when we very soon.
Case I work by when we are. Only party auto. I work by every day because he might go away or you don't get to a fool. I just want to say, make her quiet. Off you worry. On any moment, no job, but your time I won't talk about it. Let's see how many job. It's so why yes and
I don't. Sorry, I said I will not. I said I will not block anybody. But Chidi, I have to block you. You are an idiot for insulting my mother. Say your mother. God will punish your mother that gave birth to you, Chidi. Chidi Okorafor. God will punish your mother, idiot. He said your mother made a serious mistake by giving birth to you. You look like your mother. Chidi Okorafor, your mother. It is your mother you are talking to, your mother. You are referring to your own mother, you bastard. You bitch of no agenda. You don't even have a mother. I don't think you even have a mother. For you to insult my mother, it is your mother you are talking to. Your mother and your entire generation. It shall never be well with you and your entire generation. Say my mother make a mistake. I'm coming. Where my babe? May I go swear for this idiot this night for our side. I dey come before we start a union because now these kind of people now they talk. One now carry, one now say na person matter. One now just carry person one now not know before now they refer to his family. Chidi Okorafor, it shall never be well with you. Day and night shall be your enemy. Money shall be your enemy. You shall never prosper in life. From generation to generation, you will never know no peace. You will never know no peace from generation to generation. Evil shall be your name. Evil shall be before you. Anywhere you go to, man and woman shall beat you. Man and woman shall hate you. For you to refer to me, because I've never one day referred to. I don't even know you. I don't even know you from Adam, and you don't know me from Adam. I don't even want to know you. I did not invite you to my platform. Chidi Okorafor, God will punish you. Your generation today is a generational curse to you. You shall never know no peace. Death is going to be your portion. Anything that you wish to be, you shall receive it in 100-fold in the mighty name of the ancestors of this night. Idiots. Evil people everywhere. Let me block the idiot first. This is what we are talking about. Evil people everywhere. And I did for now. From now to 3 days, I'm now see me for river. Wow, God is swear for these people for river. Call now who does too much. This is what we are talking about.
Are you mad? Are you
Let's sit down, you know, go the insult her. Go the curse her. And God go punish you now.
Don't try me, eh? Don't ever try me. What a time. No one now what call it. Ugana Haidi. Never basically. Okay, ya wuno. Don't ever call my name in your mouth. Say fini. Because you are the cause.
I have blocked him. I have blocked him already. I've already laid curse on him. I've blocked him already. Because you not concern me, because I'm not supposed to refer to my mom. For what? Do you know my mom? My mother, she's proud of me, not for math. Not for my people who know me, go ask them. My mother, she's proud of me. Ozuewe, useless people.
It's not be by math.
I just watched. Since I finished my video, I'm just here, lying down in my bed. So I was like, let me just glance through some kind of things on. Please, guys, hold on. I'm coming. Who did there? Man, they come outside, they come, they insult my mother. You be idiot, you be fool. Abi, you not get charger.
I get.
And so we take on the Apple way now, Chan.
I use that, yeah. Papi, may I use this your own now?
No, this one not me get it. Not saying I'm twin. When I want to come buy something, not give me a Caesar.
I'll give you tomorrow.
I Caesar for the person hand. Except whether you with me.
Like
no, I Caesar for person hand. No, me get a Caesar. Wallah, not tell you that Caesar. A Caesar. A Caesar for person hand.
I say, oh my cable for why I must say by 5. No one do this thing. I can't even fear say whether they
if you know it, I mean, if you as in go be like say you press
I
am.
don't bet all of it. You say not let me go back.
So, as I was saying, so there are some people just there. If you insult them, they cannot take insult. Rather than you to come to my platform to insult me or insult my mother, you are a beast of no training, a beast of no agenda. So, how can? No, not be my own. I'm not fit to. No. Now another person, if you spoil your son, another story I want to hear. Let me get her. So let's listen. Listen to you. Is it not crime? Not crime. What una just carry? Una carry the insult her. They call her person when not born. Now una be God where they give picking. Una be God. If person not born for life, now say no person go still born. Una still carry una own bad enemy, bad head. Una they carry the follow the person they go. Wait till una want for this time where people never do.
Call me bastard. Wanna stay away from me now? I mean, me aga tamu we to go we total we Jimmy. Ikawa Betty de me agari ogo me. O me ni jore kwa pite. No re on la di ano e. O ya wana te jore. O eh? Stay away from me. I don't want you.
Not be me get, I don't forgive it.
If you know really me, what I say, nah, you may back the new way. Ye destiny, ye star, ye lolo, it back the new way. No, anybody no matter at the case now. Oh, if I can't know the way, can you one of the corn? O salo bono rekete o ya swanya fi accident. Anybody no matter. No matter at the case now we know. It's too much for this woman yabi. It's sorti jore. When na go we weti mu ya mo when you go. Iye go ma no wa mo agwa ma we ama go ni kiama. Imo awe. Imo no see we. Ima ona we the way Jimmy. Ono na. Oni ya. Aga akuli me. O se mi akuli me. Wo imi amo imi ame. Ono me makike. Do we yegi lele me we yagu we but no shaky. No shaky. Okay, where go the betting me gonna go? What up your part me here? Yeah, you picture on Facebook. You win, yeah, we always say, yeah, to be on me, na me, oh, le boy, the mommy, I dream see you the one of Paris. Don't temper me, eh? On a work out one day, where, or then no, this young would you in our walk away.
But who know, eh? Oh, man, you could talk big here. Oh, man, the person where they jick me, yeah, wait, or you come on, you could talk big here. All bikin ni ana rudu that way and then you marry baby social media a do rudu ni ati mi no ma eke ni ata ni agbe o ba gbon
oh ya no gbo no we le gbe ti ma gan no ma bi wa no bo we ya bere mo nu bi e oh me no gbo no keni la we bo keni na Nigeria no we le gbe ti ma gan no ma bi e u ga wa me wa bere o mo nu bi e wa jo bo we fe fa ya mo we yo top wa bere mo nu bi o kwa ti be ta sunu e wa ni mo to lo kwa ya eru gwa ga wo gwa ira gbo ira imi o asanu wa wo wi e o ga sanu ba be fa ka na pa no we le be ti ma gan no ma bi e baba e ra ni je no na ni u wa ri ya edika
why people they so wicked for this life? Why people they so wicked? Why people they so wicked? When I see say somebody they pass through something, now that thing now until they laugh that person pass. When person go they pass through something for life, when I go they use that thing say they wicked that person, say they laugh that person. It shall never be well with you people where they laugh people up and down. Why not good? Why not they love her? Why? Why this?
He said.
Woman where they look for. No, wait. This woman where they look for picking they cost like this. I'm telling you, wait, it's painful. Excuse me, it's painful. Don't say that again. Please. Yeah, joyful person. Joyful person, don't say that again. It's painful. Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? Say you be barren. Person can't use barrenness, say they laugh you. As a woman, as a mother. And the person where they use barrenness, they laugh you. The person get her own children. Do you know what it means? Do you know how painful it is? Don't say that again. Say person where they look for picking, they swear like this. Not talking again. Not talking. If na me be she, I'll do worse than this. If na me be she, I'll do worse than this. It's too much. It's too much. Waiting. Hey, you're waiting. Not only she did the social media, not only she did like no born. Many of their family not born safe. Many of their family they get barrenness of family. So carry pikin will not be their own. They waka up and down. So carry pikin will not be their own. They carry waka up and down. Come outside now, they call they love the poor woman. She better pass many of them. 100%. She better pass many of them. 100%. I bet my sister, I don't zoom. Mommy, my sister, Yuri, don't zoom. It don't zoom. Not to a person know this. This life, I feel her pain. Not be lying. This life, it gets as it be. I don't know what they worry some people. It no good. e no good. See, this one say joyful person, she needs to shut up. That means now you be the fake people. No, not be the fake people so they talk. Now your people wey una dey follow, now go insult her. So see, they don't come out cause they comment. See, you know not swear with pain, with tears. With pain and tears, now she take the swear so. With pain and tears. Now with pain and tears, now she take the cry so. My dear people, we not suppose to the last person. You not suppose make the last person for this life, because why? You don't know what it go happen tomorrow. Who the last person, you don't know what it go happen tomorrow. You understand? They say today get belle, you don't know what it tomorrow one born. Today get belle, tomorrow I don't know what it you want born. You understand? You come and say you open my door. I don't like all this kind of thing. I don't like them. You come and say you open my door. Any minute, person not dey pray for bad. Any minute, anybody can just badge you. That's if I dey do video, I'm not the one person disturb. I'm not the even my person. Sometimes people call people they pan out the mind them once I dey do my video. That's why they cause me people. See, of course they enter me since I dey bounce all the call. Because I dey do video. All this one they call me, no, they call me, make una respect myself. Since no call me, I dare no call they call me. Waiting joyful. You know waiting Monica they go through for the past 19 months. If Monica called it, yeah, joyful person, I use God beg you. I know invite you to come my platform and call the comment rubbish or yeah. Yes, don't come to my platform and comment rubbish. Nobody invites you here. Joyful person, nobody invites you to my platform to come and comment rubbish. I'm talking about the painful past that they are insulting her with. You are here telling me that whether I know the pain where Monica they, I'm so fucking what? Which pain Monica they pass through? Which pain Monica they pass through? Which pain Monica they pass through? Because of say Monica they pass through, now she go insult her with barrenness. For what? Why you go insult her with barrenness? Well, okay, because they no pay way there, but then they take go they laugh at. What did they talk about Monica? And I lied before. Maybe Monica go proof who gets speaking. Ever since now this video, I dey hear all. I no want talk. I dey hear all this video, all the video they enter my ear, but I no want talk. I dey watch many videos, I no want talk. But this time, I want just ready. This time for this social media, this time where we dey now for this social media, anybody wey do anyhow go see anyhow. Anybody wey do anyhow go see anyhow because una all just too much for this social media. Tomorrow una go laugh me say I dey gay. Say na so my una head dey say my papa nyash abi. They go laugh me for this one. Next tomorrow down, next tomorrow. Everybody waiting. Una no dey take time for una own. Una no dey get una sense. They say whether I'm 18 when they can the party for the past 19 years. And so fucking what? Say, I want to be your name. This is just the beginning. That means you are the Monica. That means you are using fake account to comment here. You are the same Monica that is using fake account to comment here. If that's the case, then say if you said this is just the beginning, it's clear for you. But I just have to say my own simple parts. If you said this is the beginning, it's clear for you. Anything where anybody see make it go beer and bet. They should stop insulting her that she's a barren. There is no barren woman in the kingdom of God. Now this life, now everybody can see different things. Now they happen for this life these days. This world we will just say different things they happen. Different things now they happen. Now different things we they see. People they call you gay every day is not a big. It's not every day is not a big deal. Do I fucking care? I don't care, but because I know that I not say I not be one, so I'm not the put here for those things. But that one is different. It's different than when you go call person and really you not say that person not born. You not say really that person are barren. My dear, please let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a spade, my dear. Yes. Let's call a spade, my dear. If it is you, joyful person, if it is you, you know what will be your reaction, my darling. If you are the one, if you are less okay, just put yourself for Iyore shoes. Put yourself in Iyore shoes. If somebody insults you with barrenness, what will be your portion? What will you feel? You know the pain you will feel in you, the pain of years, the pain of you seeing another person's children. You'll be feeling that pain. Do you know the pains? Why would you people be insulting Iyore with say she's a barren woman? Is that fair? It's not fair, mommy. It's not fair. We have to say the simple truth. It's not fair. Amen. Iyore must carry her baby. Amen. 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 It's not good. Kelly James, please, I will warn you for the last time. Don't bring that comment. Are you a man or a woman? Don't bring that comment here, guys. I'll block your fucking ass. I'll block your fucking ass, you nigger. You dead amongst the living. I'm saying something different here. You are coming out here writing a bad comment. Son of a bitch. Asshole nigger. Asshole nigger. Which one?
No, I said I don't. No, I become more than one before. So look away. So now you do use so.
No, this one I can use different. No, this one I take plug your phone.
I know, I don't do my. I said, do any mail contact the child now. See, if I go house now, I will do one like this.
You all not pay the charge.
No, I not pay the charge. My guys, so my charge, I pack all of them come out. Not that side they pay them. No side they disturb you like that.
You for plugger, you liver. Now you don't want plugger.
No worry, I know how to much.
Even if you even relax on this side, it's not bad thing. You plug your phone here. Feel at home at least. Because now another person for forgive you. Now another person charger. Something is fishing. Why would this boy just come and take? Something is fishing out. I don't think this. Wait, this charger away. Why? Why una carry the insult her? Why? Now na be God will create her life. Now na be God will create her life. People, this one is strong, good. This one is strong.
So gumetsuago ikwani munuwa. Kwa eruwa kawete. Kwa ne nuwa kwa la bekpe. Memele ne you not the now be me. First time me have declare you know. Cause imagine your pani who why. Man your pani who why. Be a live video na. Ono pana to we ke mi ni chole winye. Be ra na do no sunu. Iri o ma ka iri o ma gede. Imu no ma ti o ma. Emi no ma wu no pe a esewu. Esewu no pe a. Esewu no pe esewu no wo.
No matter no. See, this one. Wait, man, see all your charger. When I do well.